Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go on mobile, step by step. First, download the free app from your device's app store. You'll need to create an account or log in with an existing one, like Google or Pokémon Trainer Club. After that, you can personalize your avatar to make it uniquely yours. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready for your journey in no time. Let's dive into the world of Pokémon. Once you're in the game, the main goal is to catch Pokémon. You'll need to walk around in the real world, as Pokémon appear on your map based on your location. When you see one, tap it to start the encounter. Then, swipe a Poké Ball towards the Pokémon on your screen. Aim for the shrinking colored ring for a better chance at catching it. It's an exciting moment when you successfully add a new Pokémon to your collection. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic device for music, information, and smart home control. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. As you explore, you'll encounter Poké Stops, which are crucial for gathering items. Simply walk up to a Poké Stop and spin its photo disc to collect Poké Balls, potions, and other helpful gear. You can also find Pokémon eggs, which hatch into new Pokémon after you place them in an incubator and walk a certain distance. Keep an eye on your inventory and make sure you're always stocked up for your adventures. Gyms are where the real competition happens. You can challenge other trainers' Pokémon at gyms to take control for your team. During battles, tap quickly to attack and swipe to dodge incoming moves. If you defeat the defending Pokémon, you can place one of your own to defend the gym. Holding gyms earns you Poké coins, which are valuable for purchasing items in the shop. It's a great way to test your Pokémon's strength.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.